Last time that you came here.
Hello guys, we are here again in Doll's Garden. We will see the squash, big squash.
We will see. Iba yung pinakita kong picture.
Oo nga, what did you do?
Hala, one more.
Iba pa rin pag nakita mo talaga siya.
Asan? Ay, oh.
Maludong.
My God, so very big. Big
Ilang
squash.
months yun, tapos naging ganito na.
Oo nga, no? Ano lang, mga 3 months siya.
Dalawa.
Kailan ba kayo pumunta dito?
Oh my God. My God, Dong. First time.
Halikan mo, ate.
Oh my God.
Ate, hawakan.
Due to the, what is this? Manual pollination?
Ang manual pollination.
My God. Asan na yun? Wow.
Ito, kasi yung kambal.
My God.
That's the last time that you came.
Due to the
last time
manual
that you came.
pollination.
When
Dong,
was
magkuha
the
ko kamunggay, Dong.
Oh, when was the last time that you came? By tradition, in Cebu, we are not harvesting squash if it didn't turn yellow, and then with only with only pigments of green left, very few of it. Right now,
this one very big.
yeah, because we are friends.
So we'll harvest that one.
Yeah.
The last time that he pollinated.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you labor it so much to come. Please be careful. There is one here that is being
Ala,
pollinated. There is
okay.
one.
Okay.
So there is small.
Yes, that one. Oh my God.
That's
Hello.
only 3 days.
My God.
So
It's amazing, really.
So
this one,
even if it's like young,
this is adult already.
but you can see the powder. Yeah, you can see the powder skin, right? So it is still young actually. It's still
Okay.
young,
Teenager.
but, yeah, but you can enjoy it with coconut milk.
Wow.
I think.
So you will harvest that one.
Yeah, for your sake.
Okay, thank you very
and
much.
for the nutrients of the body.
Okay, thank you. We'll make a
Wow, thank you.
squash soup.
Where?
My God, Geotech charge.
So how many
Oh
kilograms
my
is
God,
it?
I think it's
Two?
2 to 3.
No, the one that I harvested little than that is 3 kilograms.
Ah, so
it is
maybe
more
this
than
one
that.
is
5.
No, 4.
Well, maybe 4 kilograms.
Yeah, 4.
So we already saved something from Lulu.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So what else?
Have you noticed how big it is?
Yeah, it's so
And
giant.
And the one which I featured on picture only during Ate Jo's birthday, you can put it
Yeah,
there.
this is...
Just leave it
where's your
here.
plastic bag, te?
Ay, nandun.
Yeah, it was
Ouch, my
it was
God.
like a picture only, and right now you saw it in your very own eyes. How many kilograms is it?
I think it's
That one?
The one,
The big one?
the biggest
I think it's 8, 7 to 8 or 9.
More than.
10 to 11.
It's already 10.
Oh my God,
And
10.
this one, I pollinated this in a week time. The same variety. With the same variety. See?
Hala, my God. My God, I cannot believe.
It's 1 week time only.
First time. It's still young.
It's still very young.
Yeah,
It is the same with
still
the
young.
one being seen there. And there's also one there. And surprisingly,
Hala, it's
at the
climb
summit,
to the top of
at the summit of it, one day I was pollinating here and I was praying that, Lord, can you take charge? I mean, the bees to pollinate it, and right now there are already 4.
Hala,
4 fruits there.
see?
And that one also.
This one maybe 7 kilos.
That one I supported with ropes because it fell from top. As you can see, the
yes.
vine. It's already.
It cannot carry the heavy.
We are
So very big. Dong, will harvest na dong. Malunggay.
Yeah. No, na mayroon na. Doon ka sa dulo. Tapos yung ano. No, sa dulo kami nakadulo. Tapos yung talong ate ko. Okay.
What is that?
This one, I
For
put
4 days. it
Ah,
looks
after
like
4 days. Okay, manual pollination.
And by story, the major vine do not actually give so much fruit, but the runners like this, gives fruit. But what I did is that I cut the edge of it. That is why when it sprung up, the nutrients was distributed to that fruit. That is why it became a fruit.
So we'll harvest now.
Malunggay.
Malunggay.
The malunggay.
The last time that you were here, you noticed this or no?
Yeah.
There was
No.
already
No, not yet, I think. So this is new.
I did not
New
even-
fruit.
No, I did not even assume that it is going.
So it's supported by rope.
Yes.
So it can carry
The
the
story of this
weight.
is that this squash was the old plantation. This
Old one.
And then it died already, but during the change
Hello,
of
what
the
is
season,
this?
It's butternut pumpkin.
Butternut pumpkin.
Butternut pumpkin.
Opo.
Butternut also squash, but the one that
Squash,
is
but-
expensive.
Okay.
That one?
Yes, the one that is so expensive.
And we harvest.
No,
No,
it
it's
is
still
not yet.
young.
You have to wait until it turns to be
Dong, what's next?
yellow, the strongest color of it. No, I'll have to cut the
Yeah, better. Malunggay.
branches that recline to the other area.
Yeah, better.
And
What happened to malunggay?
yeah, because it became so heavy now. I mean, the leaves,
It's spreading
it's spreading. So
its wings.
Ang dami na niyan.
we have to cut it. Hi to the vlog.
Yeah.
Just
Hi. Take careful lang, Dong. Alam mo,
I want
mag-move
your
kami.
squash dome.
Hmm?
I like this one.
Sana si Sol. Nag-harvest ng sarili. Nag-harvest ng sarili niya.
Okay, ate, I will
Drop.
drop the branches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are here far from that area.
Ngit-ngit na siya. So
Yeah,
late
it's
na
becoming
tanag.
dim now.
It's dim now.
I think Ate Sol also wanted the flowers of the moringa, right? No?
She wants the
You
moringa.
have to put it in mungo. Fruits. Huh?
But how to take the flowers of moringa? Is there any flower?
No, I have not tried this flower.
You haven't tried? Yeah. No, you can put it in mungo. It's very delicious.
Now it's a different version. The one who's in the up is Dong.
Actually, I've been waiting for you.
I we're so sorry, Dong, because we sleep late.
Huh?
The last vlog about visiting Dong's garden.
Yeah, I understand. Maybe last month.
Less than a month or a month after?
Last month only, right? It
Last
didn't take
month.
that long. I've been waiting for you to come because this
back.
one,
But we are not
the
able to
leaves
come
are
It's become higher now.
too many
Yeah.
and it's so big.
It's too big now.
It's so rare, no, in the desert having this.
Yeah, it's so rare.
the flower.
I mean, the foliage are very big.
This is really an amazing squash.
Yeah,
What do we call this squash, Dong? What do we call this squash?
Butternut.
Butternut squash. This is a butternut squash.
Butternut pumpkin.
See, pumpkin.
Normally, it was grown only in the US.
Oh. How you do it, Dong?
I saw it in I think I bought the seeds from Carrefour.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you cannot plant this in more this branch.
Oh, see?
That's
Very
young.
rare. Cannot find this from me. This is in a desert area.
It's very young.
Yeah. take a look closer. Oh, we're going to lend it. Look at mine.
Yes.
Amazing.
I can call Chris to collect.
Yeah.
Now this is a
I can call Chris to collect.
lady finger.
Ay, grabe ka.
Where is the eggplant?
Yeah, eggplant is here.
We're going to the eggplant area.
This one I
No.
didn't expect.
Yeah.
That it is
I'll just come back.
Yeah, I instantly did put the next time. That is cucumber, ate.
Where?
This one.
Which one?
There is fruit also.
Ah, yeah.
You saw the
Ah.
fruit?
Yeah, the yellow one.
There is also fruit here. Can you also?
Ah, here.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah, I haven't seen it. Where is it? This one.
That's alone.
Where is the talong?
Here. Really? You do not know that alone?
Eggplant, where are you? Where? You told it's big.
Yeah,
Where is it?
It's small,
Ah.
but we are going to take the bigger one only. This one?
Which one is the big? Yeah, that one. What do you call the talong dong?
It's eggplant. American size.
American size. That's the American size eggplant?
Only one.
Whoa.
Oh, you have to cut.
Really? Yeah, the one who will take it is the one who can cut it. Oh, wow.
It's still very young, no?
How many? Yeah. See, it's so fine. It's nice. The skin, it's
Ate, it's
so...
still very young.
Wow, so big.
Only
Yeah.
One?
There are others, but it's still very young.
Which one? We try to find it. That one, we can harvest?
This
Only
no?
one
Yeah.
Very young.
plant?
It's still young? Ah, there is
You have
still
to-
fruit.
You have to go back.
See, this one.
Anyway, you still have to come back.
Yeah,
There's
we will wait
ampalaya.
you, okay?
Wow, ang palaya, Jo.
Where? Hi, how are
Only
you?
one again.
Only one?
But I think there is another one. We'll have to put there at this one muna.
Yeah, you put it hi. This is more
I
the
think may mga
baby.
malaki-laki din
The
na
baby bitter gourd.
Yan, pwede na yan.
That one.
I can harvest.
Yes.
Diyan, wala na.
There's one more.
Sige, tingnan mo.
But not so big.
Which one?
Pwede na.
This one.
Ikaw, kung pwede na.
Pwede naman.
I think.
Okay.
Oh, look here. After that, look here. Here is the
Where?
cucumber na
Ayan,
matanda
the
na.
big ball.
Matanda na siya para gawin na rin seeds ulit.
What's happened to you? Yeah.
May bunga na to. Nag-harvest na kami ng ilang peraso. 10.
Oh?
Too much, no?
Oo. Kaya na ngayon, wala na.
Sayang. Hindi namin nabot.
Here we are again. Hi.
Bigyan ko siguro sa Chris. Kasi ang dami mo. Ito, bingin yan. Asa yung plastic mo? Biyan mo ko.
This is the American squash.
Malunggay.
Dong, what happened to chili?
The chili, yeah, they already harvested actually. I mean, last week, somebody harvested.
Ah.
Gusto mo ng talbos ng kamote? Ito sa
Oh,
malunggay
sige
mo to?
lang. What? Oh, it's still small.
Hatiin nyo na ngayon yung kalabasa.
Pwede.
If you have
Mayroon
the
ba akong knife dyan sa gilid?
knife.
Let me see if I have knife.
Dami yan, ate.
Boy Scout talaga.
Namatay na yung ano, Ano yan?
Anong katulad?
Ay, pangalan naman. Ano yan?
Bate.
Hindi, buhay pa yun. Di ba may alubati ka dyan? Ah?
Okay, I'll cut na lang.
Di ba na bunting daw?
Nandyan.
Hindi mo na net. Inasaan yung ano kuya ko kain niya? Andun sa ano, ginamit ko.
Dong, ang chili, dong, it's for summer. It will grow during summer, the chili.
No.
Because what happened now, they become
Yeah.
smaller.
Yeah, because they harvested it already.
Ah,
Okay, can you
yeah. I'm going to
please
film.
focus?
Yes.
So
Now
how many?
it's sorted.
How many slices?
Malahati.
Alam, may ganito na ako.
Aminin mo
Okay.
tapos hati ulit.
Malaki din pala to.
Oo.
Tigas kuya.
Kaya mo.
Bastos.
Wow.
Tingin to.
How many kilo? Maybe
4.
six.
Approximately 4.
Ay,
Kuya, ang
4 or
sarap
5.
niya. Nagdataan ng ano.
Labo siya do.
Nagdataan.
Tsaka bata.
Ako.
Ang hipon. O kaya crab.
Tapos malunggay. Kasi
Oo, crab.
bawi sa meat.
Sana makabalik na ako dito. Malunggay. Ang hirap naman kasi. Ay, siya. Ang ganda ng kulay, kuya. Wow. May ginagawa yung mga nanay dyan eh. Ay, lalagay sa ano ng bata.
Soup.
Ginagawang kwintas. Yun o, yung ganun.
Wala pulang-pula. Oh, yung ano.
Wow.
Yellow.
Masarap siya. Kahit bata pa, masarap siya.
Oo. My God, I'm excited.
Ganyan talagang, yeah.
I'll cook.
Matamis pati yung ano niya. Yung lasa niya. Sarap nga nung nilagay sa crab.
So, sige lang, mamaya natin yan.
Oh,
Palaya, pantat
cheers.
Ang ganda na dalawa.
Wow.
Ay, dako pa kay Jo.
Bigyan mo na yun.
Ang yamay na.
Yung kanya daw, ilagay mo siya.
Lagyan mo ng ganyan.
Dapat may pisngi, no?
Isni.
Grabe, don't know. Water lang yan. Tapos, in less than a month.
Shades.
Sobrang laki, oh.
Ano yan eh? Very malambing yan eh.
Lalo na siguro kung ano, yung mataba, ano yung papatabaan lang yan, no? Laki nga niya.
Ikis mo.
Ikis mo, te.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ayan.
Kailangan namin hunger.
O, dahon lang doon. Huwag mo nang bunutin at
Okay.
mas maubos.
How many?
Alam, 3 piraso.
Nagtanim na nga din ako dun sa
Magtanim ka na marami doon kasi ano.
in demand.
Oo. Tama na. Ay, isa pa. Tama na. Kasi maubos.
Yung sa luyot lang, ano siya, namamatay na.
Kasi
Pero ano na siya?
Chris. Kay Ate Chris. Ay, Ate Chris naman, te. Munggo ni Chris.
Ito, bumaba na siya. Di, ang ano nito, meron tong bunga dito, hindi tumuloy eh. Oh. Hindi tumuloy.
Anong nangyari?
Kasi
Nahiya?
major, ano siya, major vine. Yung ano daw, yung runners, itong mga runners na to ang magbibigay sa kanilang bunga. Kasi ang
naubos
concentration ng major vine is to produce food. Food production. Ito naman for ano, for fruit production. Kaya yun yung dalawa doon na malaki. Runners yun ang ano bunga, ang ano niya. Kaya nga yung bunga na mas malaki pa. Mas malaki pa doon sa ano. Yung handler ng bunga mas malaki pa.
Mas malaki pa
Kaysa dito sa vine.
Guys, we're waiting. Chris is waiting.
Tawasan mo kay Ate Chris. Waiting for you.
Chris, waiting for you.
Oh, marami din to oh. Pati doon madami sa itong ano.
Thank you.
What can you say? Merry Christmas.
This is so nice to celebrate Christmas.
Visit
Yeah.
To visit again in our garden.
Yes, we're
Because
glad
right now, I think
to.
there is a prohibition for us to water the garden. So
Why?
no, we are only watering like every
4 weeks,
month.
I think.
4 weeks only.
Yeah.
Right?
In 1 month time,
In 1
see,
month
have you
time.
seen that pumpkin?
Very
And
big.
that's a
10
developed
kg.
squash.
So it's growing so fast.
No, at least I am not theorizing only. I mean,
You're that wrong.
it's not theory. It's real.
Yeah.
It's amazing. No?
That is what
That's why he has a vlog simply
Yes.
amazing.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye! Merry Christmas! Bye!